Namaskar everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So my name is Rahul. So today we are going to discuss about the geographical location of Nepal. So let us begin this lecture. So as we know that Nepal is located between the two giant country India and China of the South Asia. So India covers three part of the Nepal and the northern part covers by China. So if I talk about the land area which covers by the Nepalis, then it is 1,47,181 square kilometer. So if you talk about the length of the Nepal then it is 885 kilometer and the width is 193 kilometer. So let us discuss the location on the map by latitude and longitude. So in the x-axis you can see this is the equator, and in the y-axis you can see this is the prime meridian, and this is the origin point which is in the Pacific Ocean. So this is the origin point 00, and if you go in this side then this is the east, and if you go in the left side then this is the west, and if you go in the upside then this is the north, and if you go in the downside this is the south. So as for the location of Nepal, it is 80 degree 4 minute east to 88 degree 12 minute east in the east side. And if you talk about in the north side, then it is 26 degree 12 minute north to 30 degree 27 minute north. And so we will found our country Nepal in this location if you'll type this in Google. So let us talk about the total land of the Asia of the world. In the world, we occupy 0.03% of the total land. In the South Asia, we occupy only 3%, and similarly in the Asia, we occupy 0.3% of the total land. So now let us talk about the national standard time of the Nepal. So it was introduced in 1942, first Vaishak. So as we know that national standard time should be located at particular lines. So this line is 86 degree 15 minutes east, and this line passes through the Mount Gauri Shankar, which is located in Dolkha district of Nepal. So if we talk about the mountains, so we know that more than 1300 peaks above 600 meters lies in Nepal only, and out of 800 meters there are only 14 mountains in the world. So out of that 8 lies in the Nepal only. So we know that Mount Everest, which is also known as Sagarmatha in our country in Nepali language, which is 8,848 meter, 48.2 meter of height, which is the highest mountain of the world. So if I talk about the rivers and lakes in brief, so that if you talk about, there are three big rivers in Nepal, that is Kosi, Gandaki and Karnali, which runs from north to south. Similarly, if I talk about lakes, then we have famous beautiful lake, that is Rara, Fewa and Gosai Kunda. So at the end of this lecture let us talk about the famous what is our country famous for. So it is famous for Mount Everest. So it is known as the nation of Mount Everest. It is also known as the birthplace of Lord Buddha. It is also known as the country of unique flag, as you know that we have a unique flag like this, and the country of third pole after North and South Pole. So these are the few things which we are famous for in the world. So thank you for watching this lecture. We will meet you in the next lecture with more information on the geography. Thank you.